In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a meeting link in Microsoft Teams. By the end, you'll know the two simplest ways to generate a link you can share with anyone, whether you need something right now or you're planning ahead. First, open Microsoft Teams and head to the Meet area. This is the central place for starting or planning meetings. Once you're there, you'll see that Teams gives you two options for creating a meeting link. You can generate an instant link for a quick call, or you can schedule a meeting for a future time. And let's start with the instant option. If you need to meet immediately, choose the option to create an instant meeting. Teams will display a Get a Link to Share or Copy Link button. Click that, and the meeting link is copied to your clipboard. You can paste it into a chat, an email, or anywhere your participants will see it. This is perfect for quick check ins, last minute collaboration, or when you don't need a calendar event. A quick tip: if you're sharing the link externally, let participants know they might see a lobby screen until you admit them. That's normal and keeps your meeting secure. Now, if you want something more organized, choose to schedule a meeting. This opens a form where you can fill in the meeting title, add participants, and set the date and time. Make the title clear so it's easy to find later, and double check time zones if people are in different regions. You can also add a brief agenda in the description field to set expectations. As you add participants, Teams will send them an invitation with the meeting details. Once everything looks good, press save. Teams creates the scheduled event and generates the meeting link automatically. To share it, open the event and use the option to copy the meeting link or simply forward the calendar invite to anyone who needs it. If you prefer to keep the event small but still allow others to join, copying and sharing just the link is a clean approach. Before you wrap up, consider reviewing meeting options after saving. You can control who can bypass the lobby and who can present, which helps avoid surprises during the call. And if you ever need to reuse a link, open the same meeting and copy it again. No need to recreate anything. That's it. Use the instant link for quick calls or schedule a meeting when you want structure and calendar visibility. Thanks for watching and happy collaborating in Teams.